Okay, check this out. If you want to make $5 a day, all you have to do is just write 100 words. For 1,000 words, you'll make $50. And if you want to make $600 per day, all you have to do is just write 12,000 words. And in this video, I'll show you how to make this kind of money without writing a single word. Hey, what's up? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you how to make money writing in 2021 and how to make money typing in 2021. Sounds similar, but they are actually a little bit different. Now in this video I will show you not only the top websites that pay the most, but also secret hacks that you can use to avoid all the work. Guys, in 2021 there are so many opportunities to make money online simply writing or typing. I will show you all of them, and this trend will only grow because more people are stuck at home, more people are working online, more people open online businesses. So this is where you and I come in, and we offer our services without actually having to do the hard work. Guys, before I'm going to show you all of the secrets, let me give away $10 in cash. If you want to win $10 in cash right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. This comment can be anything, and I will be randomly picking one person that did these 4 things, and they will get $10 in cash, and I will be revealing the winners of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. I have a free course, I have a $1 course that I'm actually using to make $10,000 per month online. I have my social media, free case studies, and more, so check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So first of all, let me show you all of the websites that will pay you, the ones that you will find writing and typing jobs on, and then I will show you the secret hack that I'm using and that you can use to make money writing or make money typing without any hard work. Okay, so the website you saw in the intro of this video is textbroker.com. Okay, so this is the biggest website when it comes to freelance writers. All you have to do is just click right here where it says I write content. Okay, so all the information will be right here. They're actually working with big companies like Staples, like eBay, like 1&1. So you know, again, all the information is right here. You can click on any one of these more information buttons. Now what I wanted to show you is this calculator right here, because as I showed you in the beginning of the video, you will make money according to how many words you are delivering, and it also checks the quality of your writing. Okay, so even if your quality writing is not good, you will still make 0.7 cents per word. If it's average, is 1 cent per word. If it's good, is 1.4, and if it's excellent, it's 5 cents per word. Now this is exactly where you want to be. As you can see, we have open orders, direct orders, team orders, etc. But you have this little calculator right here just to calculate exactly how much money you will make. So again, if you want to make $600 in a day, you will have to have a 5-star quality, and you will have to deliver 12,000 words per day. That's $600, guys. Even if you're gonna just you know, deliver 1,000 words, 1,000 words is pretty simple to write up yourself. Even if you're starting from scratch, it's $50 per day. You know, 2,000 words is $100 per day. So many different opportunities. And again, this is just the first website, and I will show you this secret hack that will allow you to use other people's articles, but that's coming up. So if you want to start making money today, just click right here where it says free auto registration. All the information will be right there. Now this is only the first website I have for you, so textbroker.com. Website number 2 is the writerfinder.com. So this is where bloggers, website owners go to where they want to find a freelance writer. This is where you will find them because you want them to pay you, right? So just click on writer, sign up right here, and as you can see, we have all the information right here, so we can get started right here on the bottom. So as you can see, they are looking for great writers, confident, independent, punctual, and you have to be proud of your work. And also, if you know some SEO, that's an additional great skill to have. SEO in a nutshell means that you know how to stuff keywords in the text. It's pretty simple. So the writerfinder.com, and the next website I have for you is iWriter.com. Now with iWriter, this is actually a website that is the cheapest from all of these websites out there, but the cool thing is that you can actually hire people on iWriter and sell their work somewhere else. Okay, so this is like an additional hack that I discovered many years ago. So if you will scroll down right here, as you can see, they have 47,000 jobs posted in just in the last 30 days. They have over 100,000 writers 8 million articles, and as you can see they have different types of writers. Okay, so they have standard, premium, elite, and elite plus. Now what I wanted to show you is pricing right here. So as you can see, standard starts at $1.40 for 150 words. Now elite plus is $13. So as you can see, quite a big of a difference. Now obviously when you are delivering orders, you want to be in this elite plus category, but if you are buying from iWriter to flip articles on some other website, you essentially can pay the minimum amount right here. So 1,000 words will be $8.25. You can easily flip it for $20-$30. Okay, so this is just a side thing. The main thing I want you to do is actually sell articles, and I want you to be in this top bracket right here. As you can see, 6,000 words is $435. So for 12,000 words, you'll make $900, even more than on Text Broker. So this is iWriter, definitely worth checking out and signing up with them. And next up, I have bloggingpro.com/jobs. Okay, so another website that will allow you to find blogging jobs. Again, bloggers go to this website to find writers just like you, and you will be finding these jobs right here. So as you can see, we have the postings right here. So we have writers for self-development blog. They can be from anywhere, and as you can see, this was posted 3 days ago. Another one, anime manga features writer, 3 days ago. Educational writer, 3 days ago. Senior medical writer, 4 days ago. So you can just check what is currently posted and just apply for these jobs, and obviously make money this way. And lastly, I have Fiverr.com. Now with Fiverr.com, keep in mind, it can be Fiverr.com or any other freelancing website. So it can be Upwork, it can be Freelancer, it can be people per hour. With Fiverr.com, I just wanted to show you that you can set up a gig and just wait for the order. So like with our website, someone else is setting up a listing and you have to apply for the jobs, or they contact you when they have a job. Here you do have to set up your own writing listing or article listing and then just wait for the order. So a little bit different, but in a nutshell, you're doing the same exact thing. So just go to articles and blog post category. As you can see, people are charging really different rates. So the more proof they have from previous orders, the more money they can charge. So as you can see, it starts at $30, it goes to $45, even $100. So it really depends on how long the article is and how good your writing is, and also if you can translate or write in different languages. That's an additional asset. So what I would do if I would start a Fiverr gig is I would find a gig that is already successful and sort of mirror it. Okay, so I would copy the title, copy the description, copy the pricing, and maybe put the prices a little bit lower and deliver a little bit faster. So this way you can compete with these top sellers, even if you are a complete beginner. So if someone delivers in 3 days, I would deliver in a day. So you get an edge over them. And also if they are charging $45, I would charge maybe $25. And then as you have these 5-star ratings rolling in, you can start putting the price up. So these are the top 5 websites that will allow you to make money writing in 2021. Now let me show you what I was doing when I actually did writing. I started my gig on Fiverr and I didn't want to write these articles from scratch. So what you can do, and what will essentially speed up this process 10 times, is you can go to easinarticles.com. Now on Easing Articles, you literally have hundreds of thousands of articles in many different niches. So if someone hires you and they say, okay, I want an article about cats or cat food, you just go to easinarticles.com and you type in cat food, you do a search, and then obviously you will know how long of a article you will need. So you have to pick the one. As you can see, just on cat food, how many different articles we have, and literally we have 600 pages of these articles. So you can find articles on anything. Just find one that matches when it comes to the title and matches when it comes to the number of words. So let me just pick this first one right here and let me show you how all of this works. So we have this article right here. It's already done for you. We don't have to do anything apart of rewriting it. Okay, so we don't have to do any research. We don't have to write from scratch. We don't have to read about the topic to understand what is going on. All we have to do is just rewrite this whole article, which again just speeds up this whole process. Now, I don't want you to rewrite this whole thing manually. You could. This is what I was doing. I was doing it manually. Now you can go to a website like articlerewritertool.com. Okay, this is where you're going to be rewriting this article automatically, so it even saves you more time. So let me just paste it right here. We're going to click right here where it says I'm not a robot. We will rewrite the text, and as you can see, it literally took 3 seconds to get this whole new text. Now, what you will do at this point is, obviously this is ready, but you're gonna have to go through it manually to see if it makes sense. Like sometimes, you know, this is an automatic rewriting tool, which means that sometimes it will just not make complete sense. This way you will just go through it, make sure it makes sense, maybe correct it in a couple of places, and then you can send it back to the original buyer. So guys, this way, again, you're saving so much time. You're saving hours and hours and hours of work. You can find an article that is already ready, rewrite it, literally go through it, proofread it, and you will be done in a matter of minutes instead of hours. So easyinarticles.com is the #1 website. I was using it literally for years, but there are other websites with articles like articlesfactory.com. Again, you have articles on health, business, finance, travel, technology, computers, marketing, on literally so many different subjects. You will have hundreds of thousands of articles to choose from. And then again, whatever you are picking, just go to articlerewritertool.com and you can rewrite it in a matter of seconds. So guys, this is the first part of the video, how to make money writing in 2021. Let's go to the second part of the video, how to make money typing in 2021. Okay, so this set of websites is a little bit different, and what you're going to be doing is a little bit different as well. So, okay, so when it comes to writing, obviously you're writing an article from scratch. When it comes to typing, you will be listening to an audio and typing it up. So this is called transcribing. Okay, so actually typing, transcribing, and for transcribing I will show you a very cool trick that will allow you to transcribe audio files 10 times faster as well. Okay, so I'm not leaving you hanging. Just like with making money writing, you will do the same thing with making money typing. Okay, so the #1 website for transcribing is transcribeme.com. They literally have hundreds of jobs, and as you can see, all the information is right here. So they do data annotation, transcription, translation, and also AI data sets. All you have to do to get some jobs from them is click on jobs. As you can see, it says get paid working from home, join Transcribe Me, professional crowd, and start working on projects and making money. Obviously, all of this is from the comfort of your own home. You're going to be monetizing your downtime. They actually have the highest pay. So what you're going to be earning is $15 to $20 per audio hour. Guys, this is if you would be doing this manually. Again, I'll show you a trick that will speed up this whole process 10 times. So instead of $22 per audio hour, you can probably make like $200 per audio hour. So definitely amazing. You can grow and learn. You have the flexibility. You're working from home, and they have expert training if you really want to turn this into a career. Okay, so that's transcribeme.com/jobs. Next up, I have gotranscript.com. Okay, same exact idea. They have transcripting jobs for you. All you have to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on, for transcriptionists, we will click on work, and this will open up this page. As you can see, they pay up to 60 seconds per audio minute. Average earnings per month for their freelancers is $150, and top monthly earnings $1,215. You can apply right now, and you're going to be getting an SMS verification photo during registration and real-time with verification on paper. Guys, all the information is right here. And again, in just a second, I will show you how to speed up this whole transcribing process 10 times. Now, another website that you definitely have to check out is rev.com. So they work with transcriptions, captions, and foreign subtitles. So for transcription, you're making $1.25 per minute. For captions, $1.25 per minute as well. Foreign subtitles, if you know a foreign language, $3 to $7 per minute. So definitely something that makes you more money if you know a couple of languages. They have the whole explanation right here. Now what we have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says become a freelancer, just click on learn more. This will open up this page. As you can see, you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and get paid weekly because they actually pay you via PayPal. So in our case, we will click on learn more right here where it says transcriptionist, and again, all the information is right here. You're gonna get paid weekly via PayPal. $245 is the average earnings per month, and $1,495 top monthly earnings. So guys, definitely a website worth checking out. Next up, I have dailytranscription.com. The same exact idea with this website. All you have to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on careers. This is how you will start working with them. As you can see, again, all the information is right here. And as you can see, you will have the flexibility. Assignments come to you paid weekly, and they pay higher rates than Rev, than Transcribey, and to Scribey. This starts at 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute, and you can make 250 to 950 per week easily. This is if you're not using my trick that I'm going to show in just a minute. Now, lastly, I have gmrtranscription.com. Same exact idea behind this website. All you have to do is click on careers right here. They will have all the information when it comes to transcribing right here. They have current job openings. You can join their team. They have no fees, and you can work from home. They even have a testimonial right here. So guys, how do you transcribe 10 times faster? So this is the second hack that I promised you. Now what you do once you already have this audio file is you go to Google Docs. Okay, so it's docs.google.com. you open up a new document. This is all free, by the way, and all you have to do is click on tools and then voice typing. Okay, so as you can see, we will click right here, and once we're going to activate it, Google Doc will just start typing whatever we are saying. Okay, so this way you can just put a pair of earphones, hear whatever you have to transcribe, repeat it yourself, and let me click right here. And as you can see, Google will just start typing every single word that I'm saying. So this saves us so much time. We don't have to type anything manually. We only have to start saying the words that we hear in our earphones, and we are done. Okay, so let me just pause this. We don't need this anymore. Guys, as you can see, this will speed up this whole process 10 times. You don't even need to use your keyboard. All you have to do is just put your earphones on your ears, start saying whatever you're hearing, and you will be done. Obviously, you're gonna have to go through this text and proofread it just to make sure that it makes sense, that it has all the dots and etc. and punctuations. But again, this speeds up this whole process 10 times. So guys, that's the video I got for you today. This is how you make money typing and how you make money writing in 2021. I hope I opened your eyes to the possibilities, especially with these two hacks that I showed you. Now, before you go, let me give away $10 from the giveaway I did in my last video. So again, if you want to win $10 in cash, please like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, and let's see who won the giveaway from my previous video. So this was my previous video, how to make money on ClickBank in 2021. ClickBank Marketplace 2021. Let me grab the URL and let me go to YouTube random comment picker, and right now let me paste it in right here. Let's filter out the duplicates and let's see how many comments we have. 51 comments. And right now let's start the raffle and pick a random winner. So we have Sajan PS, absolutely brilliant and incredible video. So Sajan, I will comment under your video, and please comment back with your email. Okay, so this is how you're gonna get your $10 in cash. I will send it to you. So congratulations again. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment, and I will send you $10 just like I'm about to send to Sajan. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope I opened your eyes to the possibilities when it comes to making money online, typing, and making money online, writing in 2021. This will only get bigger. Start right now, make as much money as you can, start working from home, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.